Hello, my name is Jasheet Singh, and this is my pitch for Exotic Flights, which is a company with a new idea of traveling flights through an app or digital marketing website, which can help people find flights easily and cheap as possible. The intention of Exotic Flights is to penetrate the market by providing a complete tourism solution and serving a variety of tour and travel components to customers where it intends to provide individual and group travel to leisure clients. So the campaign's big idea, so hopefully it catches people's attention and flight agencies when innovating new ideas. Exotic Flights is all about cheap flights and making the customer gets the best flight possible. When it goes by these innovating new ideas, we'll always make sure things go smoothly by instilling these values in the team, customers, clients, and other members that contribute to EF. So the target audience will be male and female, ages of 18 to 50, 40, and basically individuals who love to travel and like going on vacations. So basically, we'll have householders with incomes of $100,000 and over, travel agencies and professionals with an established client base, particularly in the luxury market, corporations, civic groups, and nonprofit organizations interested in incentives, retreats, field trips, and fundraisers. EF will find those sort of audience through social media, organic SEO strategies where they just could go to vacations and just type in research queries to help them decide where to go. So basically the goals and KPIs is to take advantage of this growth and moderate competition and steady travel portion of industry with a dedicated experienced staff, excellent networking and effective management and marketing. EF intends to provide travel and adventure packages to tourists primarily in the southern region, but also the whole of the United States. The sales KPI by tracking those evaluate total sales revenue, where the total revenue is generated from all the products over the defined period for exotic flights. The financial cycle length for average time the sales process takes between initial contact and sales managers closing and leads such as the EF's travel program, which is saving through negotiated rates. The social media strategies basically for EF will be Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. Instagram will be the most popular because as we're talking about the stories, focus on traveling, and that's where most the youth of the generation are using this platform as, where they can go down vacations and see what the uh, EF is about. Facebook will be establishing content on Facebook, basically helping with the middle generation of like ages 30 to 40, basically like analytics on the audience to add new ideas on how the brand for EF can increase substantially and expand their options, whether it's on a common share or like. So Pinterest will have immense time where it could be more shareable than a tweet and has a longer life than a Facebook post. So the paid ad strategies for EF will be cost per click ad campaigns, create SEO optimized content to be found through search engines, and try new temporary discount offers on the app and their website for their clients and customers. Basically, EF will find an intriguing niche or selling point and dominate on the SERPs by measuring their progress by seeing how many clicks they get from what they get on the campaign, ad group, keyword, and received by, and figuring out what sort of steps would have to be ensured to make the brand to get more attention. So the brand and the inbound strategy. EF will send out emails about discounts, coupons, and so on for the customers to receive them and just checking out the app, website to gather more interaction and subordination. EF will also supply proposals for clients who request quotes for places they have never been there, which includes flights and hotels and their links to. They could 15 to 20% off. So basically, this is the sample content for exotic flights. We'll talk about topic clusters, what exotic flights is about, and why it's designed for EF. And you could just look at it. So the campaign's budget breakdown is basically the email marketing will be having around 5K. Basically, it's the effective channels for retaining and nurturing leads. Website and app marketing will have a digital storefront, basically how it's designed, and just basically converting visitors, which will add a budget of 20K. And the SEM, PPC, display, and social media ads basically have for Facebook and LinkedIn ads on their social media platforms, which can yield an extremely high ROI with the right targeting and creative. Basically, it will be around 15K to promote that content. Just having a lot of optimized mix of digital ads fits the promotion bill perfectly, and it will be $40,000 for the total. So, in conclusion, Exotic Flights will be a top travel agency on the website app through digital marketing. These sort of things will help the customer's audience get a grasp of what their brand is about, helping them get the best and efficient flights as possible. Exotic Flights will help clients, consumers, and customers in finding vacations business trips, and other aspects that will help their families and anything in general. So basically, this is what Exotic Flights is about. Thank you for your time, and have a great rest of the day.